Okay, Di Guzman will be giving two charity throws. First throw. Yes for 1 point. Okay, ready jumpers. Yes for 1 point to make it 2 points. Score 30-28. In favor pa rin ng Upper Tuping. Inbounding the ball, tampok to Colantes. Colantes dribbling the ball. Back to Julius. Yep. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Julius pa rin ang bola for jump shot. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Wala. Okay, rebound by Paretero. Fast break to Di Guzman. Di Guzman ngayon. Yes for 2 points on Di Guzman. Score po natin 30-30. Tampok. Pass to Colantes. Colantes pass to Felipe. Felipe ngayon. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by Tampok. Istagaw na bola ng Di Guzman. Di Guzman nga nagmamadali. Di Guzman dumiretso. Malpito ang referee sa halon. Colantes Dandan. Person Dandan. Penalty. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. Okay, first. No good. Ready jumpers. The final throw. No good. Rebound by nakuha ni Di Guzman. Di Guzman pa rin. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Tampok. Tampok ngayon. Dalang bola. Still on Tampok. 3 seconds violation. Ang score po natin, deadlock 30. Carretero, pass to Bolona. Bolona ngayon ang bola. Bolona, dumiskate si Bolona. Naipit ang bola. Traveling violation.